Hey, welcome to day 7 of the year of awesome. Um, Today I am going to talk about a thing that I manifested. So manifesting I think is awesome, and I just learned about it last year. And so I posted about, I don't know, a month ago about wanting to do a cruise where I teach people how to write their daily manifesto. And so what that is you write down everything that you want your life to be like within the next year, and then you read it every day, or you record it and listen to it every day, so that it's always in your mind, and it gradually gets into your subconscious, and you start believing subconsciously that those things are true, and so those things start happening. And so I'm a firm believer in this, because things in my manifesto just from either October or November have already started happening. So I know it works. And so I was like, if I could do anything this year, if I weren't scared of doing it, what would I do if I had no fear? And that's what I would do. I would host a manifesto cruise. And so I posted that, and then my friend Bronwyn, who is also doing a year of YouTube videos. We're doing it together this year. We're giving each other moral support. She said, let's do it. Just let's make that happen. And so we called a travel agent, and we got it all worked out. And I started posting about it today, and already several people want to go. And so I'm really going to do it. So it's October 14th through the 21st, and we're going to the Western Caribbean. We're going to stop in Jamaica and Cozumel, Mexico, and Grand Cayman Island. And on the days at sea, we will work on our manifestos in the morning. And so then you can have the whole rest of the day to play or do whatever you want. And it's going to be totally awesome, and I can't wait. So I'm going to have a link pretty soon where you can reserve your spot and pay a deposit. So if anybody watching this wants to come, you are invited to come play with us and learn how to write your manifesto and start making the changes you want to see in your life. So we don't have the link made yet, but I'll post the link when we have it made down below. And so in the meantime, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and stick around for the rest of the year of awesome. Tomorrow is day 8, so I'll see you then. See you later. Bye.